Yeah. What's up, my people? Super clean. Does it work? Let's find out. I want to thank Jessica over at Super Clean for sending these products to help me keep my equipment clean. I got some filthy equipment here. Just run it through the salt and dirt. And these axles have been leaking. I overfilled them last year, so they're just seeping out. They're not actually leaking. These axles, they weep out these, right here, this plug, if you overfill them. So that plug's not the best seal. Some guys put some sealant on that rubber plug too. You could do that, but we'll take it from there. Got the Mighty M hot water pressure washer. That will also cut the grease big time. My tank up above. I got a special wand, so I don't, because you know when you spray any type of wheels, you spray in front of you, you get it right in the mouth and eyes. I got a special wand I could keep away from there. I could hang out way over here and angle it right in. So let's get to it. Let's spray this wheel, the greaser on here. I already sprayed the other wheels. Let's get it foamed up. Fire up the pressure washer. Wheels need some attention, some paint. Whole trailer needs some paint. Looking for a new trailer? Get a hold of me. Got some wheel cleaner here. Let's see what we got on that. Open this up. Wheels got a lot of road grime. Get her sprayed up, and we'll rub that all in. Same to these. Just gonna take this little scrub brush and scrub it out. Now you don't let this stuff dry on here. You gotta pressure wash one wheel at a time. the smoke clear. Oh yeah, these are getting clean. Yeah, nice and nice. Now I'm gonna tell you guys, because you know this channel's about truth and honesty. That wheel looks good. These wheels don't. So don't use their aluminum cleaner or wheel cleaner on your aluminum wheels, because look what happens. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's all discolored where it sat on there for a couple minutes, and I'm talking sat on there for seconds. But I can buff it out with my mother's polish and a buffer, and it buffs it out. But you will see, like over on the other side, it's even worse. You can just see where it like bleached. It bleached it where it ran and sat on it. It says on the bottle not to let it sit on there, do one wheel at a time. But even where it ran on it, you can see it. Just giving you my opinion. You can see it, and then now I'll buff it out. Put a little mothers on your wheel, let it roll. You'll see it start turning black. It's already taking it out. It's best to get a little damp with the water in there. It works a lot better with a little water. It cuts the aluminum better. All right, let's give this a polish with a dry rag right now. See if them spots come out. Oh yeah. So they're not permanent. You're just gonna have to do some hours of work. I mean, I guess it's better for road grime. All right, guys, after 25-30 minutes of buffing, I got the wheels and all them spots coming out, and I gotta give it back to super clean. Again, this is brute honesty. It does say it right here, have a test spot on your wheels. If it causes any hazing, discontinue product. So don't use it if it causes hazing. So I would just suggest to do a test product even on chrome wheels. Obviously on aluminum wheels it does not work, so I wouldn't use it on any aluminum parts like the tank. It even hazed it and I had to buff that back out. So again, I thank you guys and I appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, like, hit that like button, subscribe.